Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, beta. Okay. Astha, am I audible? Diksha, Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Diksha, what we did in the last class? I think syllable and syllabification we have done now. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, actually, yes, I think in the previous class we started talking about mm, syllable and syllabification. Am I right? Hello. 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 Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, before since we started talking about what is syllable, and then we moved to stress weak syllable and strong syllable. I think till there we have discussed. And again, if a word is disyllabic, the same word, if it's coming as a noun and adjective, the stress will shift, and the first syllable will be stressed. But if the same word is coming as an verb, the stress will be on the second syllable. This still here we discussed. But now I want to take a pause, and let's first talk about what is vowel and consonant sounds. This we have already discussed. Not I have discussed, but in the first year classes, in the perhaps in the second semester, you must have gone through these sounds of English. How many sounds are there in English? Can you please tell me? Can anyone tell me how many sounds are there in English? Actually, there are 44 sounds, okay, in which we have 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Huh? In 20 vowels, we have 12 monophthongs. Do you understand what is monophthongs? Mono stands for, here, look at these. Mono stands for single, and thong stands for what? Mono stands for single and thong stands for sound. So those vowels, those vowels we're talking about, which have a single sounds, are known as a monophthongs. They are 12 in numbers. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in numbers. Then rest of the 8 sounds are known as diphthongs. D stands for two, and thong stands for again sound. Diphthongs. And how many diphthongs we have? We have 8 diphthongs. So 12 plus 8, 12 monophthongs, and then plus 8, 12 monophthongs, then plus 8 diphthongs. It's a 20 vowels we have. And then we have 24 consonants that we discussed today. Don't worry. Okay. Now, till here, am I clear to you? Hello. I'm just actually revising what you have understood, what you have gone through in your last semester. Okay. Till here, am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone has any problem till here? Hello. Mohit, Akash, Dipti, Parth, Akshay, Avilash. Hello. Am I audible to you? You all are not responding. Should I stop the class in
Yes, sir.
between?
Yes, sir.
Those who are not responding, either I'll remove or I stop the class. Okay, then let's end the class. When you are not responding, let's end it.
Yes, sir.
I'm getting only a few responses.
Yes, sir.
Tejas Yadav and some only few responses.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me quickly, I'll just, revise these things and then we'll move to syllable and syllabification. Now, see here, let's talk about vowel. When you say the word read, see some, now the E is being stressed. The sound, the vowel sound E, read, the sound E is being stressed. When you say sheet, again, E sound is being stressed. When you find that, sorry, being stretched. When you find that stretched E is there, that is a sound, the first one. Mm, Wait a minute. Okay, now, so when you stretch, okay, then this is the sound. Talking about, sheep, okay, sheet, read. But when you say it's like sit, shit, okay, pit, hit, then this is the sound. The sound is like this one. इसको आप लोग हिंदी में you call it छोटी and बड़ी. Then again we say book, hook. Again, this is the sound of you is there. Okay, but when you somehow when you stretch it, for example, cool, fool, two. Then again, badau. When in Hindi it's called badau. That is the sound. Okay. Then after that, when you have to say men, N-A, sound of A, men, pen, den, hen, like this. Then a sound is there. America, above. Okay. Now this is the sound of a. Okay, isko yaad rakhna is very important. Sound of a is there. Then when you suppose that कभी कभी आप अ को खींचते हो, like word, curd, heard. See, word, curd, heard. The a sound is not being stretched. आप उसको थोड़ा vibrate कर रहे हो, खींच रहे हो. In that case, this is the sound of a, which is being you're stretching. Now when you have when you have a lip rounding, sort, ought. See, lip rounding is there. This is the sound. Lip rounding. Whenever a sound in Hindi, anak. In Hindi, when you sound cat, hat, mat, rack, jat. Then the sound of a sound is here. Then adha a. Here, this is sound of adha a. But a sound is there. But hut. Then when you are stretching art, part, cart, dart, dark, like this. A sound is there. And then we have adha o, I can say not, hot, caught. See, this is a sound. Are you getting my point? So these are the 12 monophthongs. Are you getting my point? Hello, are you getting
Yes,
my
sir.
point or
Yes,
not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. बिल्कुल.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then after that, we are going to talk about, give me just wait a minute. I'm going to talk about here. This is the next segment, second segment. The second segment is, wait a minute. Now, just give me a minute. Let me clear all my drawings. Okay, now, so there were 12 monophthongs. Now we are discussing 8 diphthongs. Now, what is diphthong? जब यही monophthongs जो होते हैं, जब दो के ग्रुप में आते हैं, this is a cluster. When they're coming in cluster, coming in group, in pair, they will be known as diphthongs. Like when you say example of here, when you say I'm coming here, sound is of here. One diphthong is there. E and a. One diphthong is there. Then we say a, day, clay, hey. Again a e. Sound is again one diphthong is there. Then again to a, poor. Then we have a one another sound is there. Then oi, boy. When you say boy, choice, ois. See oi again. This is a sound of oi. Adha a and I. Then thou, au. So not au. It's au. Go. U. Then we have a ear, wear, sound of is here. Then my, e. Again my, sky, light, it. See kite. Then how, thou, mau. Okay, sound is there. So these 8, and now these 12s are known as vowel sounds in English. Okay, this is a spoken English. I'm talking about. Okay, this the English which is being spoken. Written English. In written English, we have 21 vowels. Sorry, 21 consonants and 5 vowels. But in communication, in a spoken English, we have 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Now let's come to the consonants. Now these are the consonants. Wait a minute. Okay, till here, am I clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now let's talk about. Okay, let's talk about this one. Now this is very important. Why? This is what the consonant sound is all about. Okay. Now what is the consonant sound? Let me tell you. Now look at this. The sound of paw, pig, bed, burr. Sound of purr, sound of burr, then sound of tur. See, sound of der, sound of ch. Now the ch sound, first you have to make t. Ch sound is first make t and then go like this. This is the sound of ch. Sound of ch. Then we have a sound of j, judge. Sound of j is this one, judge. Sound of ko, sound of go, go. Sound of fo. Then you have sound of wo, very. It's not very, it's very, very. Okay. Then sound of th, think. Sound of th. Th sound is like this. When you say like this, th. Theta banate ho na, theta. That is sound of th. Then you have a sound of the. This is the sound of the. First, you have to ulta 6 banaiye and then put it like this. Sound of the is there. Then sound of sa, normal sha. And this is the, see, this is the sound of sa, 6 and short. Talave short जो बोलते हैं ना, talave short मर्धनी sa. This is the sound of sa, like this one. Sound of sha. Then we have a casual, zameen, sound of z, in pakiza, in in Arabic words, this sound is very popular. Casual, okay. You say pizza, z. You can't say pizza. I want pizza. No, I want pizza, Z sound is there. Then sound of mo, sound of no, and this is very important. Sound of angya. What is angya? When you have a ring, king, sing, ming. Sound of angya is like this. sound of angya. Then we have a sound of h, h, sound of l, sound of r, sound of window. We can't say window. Are you getting my point? You can't say very. Okay, it's very important. And window, work. We can't say work. It's work. Then sound of a year. Again, sound of a year is very important. This is the sound of a year, like a J, a small J. Sound of year is there. Okay, so these sounds are very important. And as far as this, Ritik Bhushan Yadav, kya hua bro? What is this? Do you want to be removed from this class, Ritik?
No, sir.
Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so these are the, you can understand, these are the consonant sounds we're talking about. Until here, Aarti, do you have any question, beta? Aarti Yadav,
No, sir.
you raised your hand, beta.
So it's by mistake.
Okay, okay. Now, when you say, sir, why are you telling all these things? Is it interesting for us? Yes, this is interesting for us. Let me tell you. Suppose that, it happens that, do you know that English is not our language? Yes, sir. It's a language of England. It's language of Britain. So if I say, suppose that if I say the word is like a, mm, wait a minute, the word is like department. Suppose that. Department. Now, how many syllables are there in the word department?
Sir, spelling mistake.
Okay, थोड़ा भावनाओं को समझो.
Sorry,
Now,
sir.
how many words? It's okay, beta. How many words are there in the word department? How many syllables are there in the word department? So the first syllable is D. Am I right? Part, part, part is here. Part, and then ment.
And
3 syllables are there. Am I right or not? Till here, I'm clear or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now, suppose that we all don't know English. We know only letters. Okay. Now, can you please tell me, how do you know that what is the correct pronunciation of this word? I can say department. Am I not? I can say department. Department. I can say also like this. So how do you know what is the correct pronunciation? So when you look up the dictionary, you will find that in bar brackets, this is known as a bar bracket. Okay. In bar brackets, there are some words like, what is the sound of D? Can you tell me? See here. Let me tell you. This is the, ek minute. This is the, look at here. Clear out my drawing. This is the, see, this is the sound of D. Okay. So first you like, अगर आपको डिपार्टमेंट दिखा होगा तो फर्स्ट आपको ऐसे लिखा होगा डिपार्टमेंट में, this is the sound of D. Then we are looking for sound of, now we are saying D, I, we are putting I. So here, look at here, I is here. Now, आप क्या बोलते हो, department या department? छोटा E या बड़ा E? क्या कहते हो आप बताओ जरा? We'll go for small E, and that's why it should
Small
be
e.
हाँ D
Small e.
I like this. मैं थोड़ी मेरी अब इस पे राइटिंग, लैपटॉप पे राइटिंग बन पा रही है, थोड़ा भावनाओं को समझना, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the sound of P? See, sound of P is here, pig. Sound of P is here. So then you say like this. You will write like, wait a minute. You will write like this. P. Now, when you say art, you are stretching R. Are you getting my point? ध्यान से देखो. When you say art, you are stretching it. आ को हम stretch कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा खींच के बोल रहे हैं. तो कौन सा जाएगा? देखो, यहाँ ये वाला आएगा. आएगा? क्यों? Part, cart, dart. Okay. So now this A will come. So you write like this. ये फिर एक बिंदी, फिर एक और पॉइंट हो गया, 2 पॉइंट. डिपार्ट हो गया. ओके. देन आर साउंड इज देयर. आर प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. आर यहाँ पे है. हाँ, यस, आर साउंड इज देयर. सो दिस इज द R sound. Okay. Then you have to write like T. T sound is there. Depart. Sound of T is there. Yes, sound of T is there. Then we have a, what we call it, meant. Sometimes so more is like written like this, more. here. From ment, I've taken more from here. Then for a sound, we use this. Look at here. We use this. Then we go like this, main. If I have to write like N, so N sound is here. So we'll go like N, and then we have a T sound like this. Okay. Then bar bracket is closed. अब आप डिक्शनरी देखोगे, यू विल फाइंड दिस. समटाइम्स हम लोग डिपार्टमेंट भी कहते हैं. आपको जो नहीं, आप उसको मेंट बोलो, समटाइम उसको मंट भी कहते हैं. इन दैट केस अगर मंट होगा तो क्या होगा? देन एम विल बी रिटन लाइक दिस, एम. देन आधा अ लाइक पट, पट, but like this. So and then ulta v is there. Then we have a no, and then we have a to. This is called munt. So both. So when you open the dictionary, you find both these. This is called phonetic pronunciation. Sorry, phonetic description. So transcription, phonetic transcription. What transcription is there? This will tell you what is the correct meaning of a particular, correct pronunciation of a particular word. Let me tell you one more time. Suppose that if I have to write the word, there is a word, the word is king. If the word is king, आप king कैसे लिखोगे? Can you tell me? What is the sound of ko? Sound of ko is here. Are you getting my point or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sound of ko. See, sound of ko is here. So again in bar bracket we have a sound of ko. Ko sound is there. After that we have another. Wait a minute. After that we have. Wait a minute. We have another sound. What is the sound of I? अब क्या बोलते हैं? King कहते हैं या king बोलते हैं?
King.
Then this I will go. So you will say like this I. Then acha, what is sound of angya? Ing is there. Sound of angya is there. Can you please tell me? Sound of angya. So if you look at carefully, this is the sound of angya. Are you getting my point? So then we write like this. See, we write like this, angya, and then go sound is there. So go sound, we make go sound like this. Now bar bracket is closed. This is sound of. So from here we understand that this is the correct pronunciation of a particular word. Have you got my topic or not? Have you got my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So that, this you need to understand that whenever we are talking about why these syllables are important. Suppose that अगर मान लो किसी का नाम, मैं आपको और इंटरेस्टिंग करता हूँ, आपके लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. You can have your own language. You have a language like C, Java, now you can have your own language. And let me tell you, suppose that this is for fun purpose. Okay, for fun I'm telling you this. Okay, wait a minute. Suppose that if I say someone's name is like Aparajit. Okay, who is there? Okay, now can you please इसका वो करोगे, ट्रांसलेशन करोगे, ट्रांसलेशन करो अपराजित का, क्या होगा बताओ? What do you say, अपराजित or अपराजित?
Aparajit.
Okay, in that case, yes, in that case, again in bar bracket, what will you do? You'll do like this. Wait a minute. You'll first put a bar bracket like this, and then O sound is there. So look at, this is the O sound. America. O sound is there. So first you write like this. Then we have po. So po sound is there. After that, again O is there. See, po, O sound again is there. So again it will be po. Then ra sound is there. Ra sound is there. Then a sound is apara. A हम बोलते हैं. A sound is there. Aparajit. Okay. So we'll go for the a sound. Okay. Then ja sound is there. Which ja will go? So I think ja, we not say jit. We not jit. We say jit. Ja. Normal ja. In that case, which one will go? Let me check. This will go. This judge. This will go. So it will be like D, and then it's like 3 G, and then again also I sound is there, G I, and then at last it would be T. Now this is the Aparajit, correct pronunciation of the particular word. Have you got my point or not? So it can be your silent language. Okay, in a way it can be your silent language for you. This is what spoken English. This is what new, I can say vowel and consonant sounds of spoken English. Are you getting my point? And through symbols I have to tell you the correct pronunciation of a particular word. Till here am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm sharing with you. Let's come to the syllable and syllabification. Wait a minute. Okay, so let's have a quick revision. What is syllable? I talked about that syllable. Number of vowels, number of pronounced vowel in a word is
Not sure.
Hello.
Screen नहीं दिख रही है, sir.
Sorry. Now here it is. Okay, again, syllable is what? Number of pronounced vowel in a particular word is known as a syllable. Did we discuss it? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
सिलेबल डिस्कस किया था?
No, sir.
अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ था ये?
No, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, फिर शुरू करते हैं. ओके, let's find out some words. The word is like if you look at the word like PA and then PA, how many vowels are there? 2. How do you know? AA sound is there, and both the vowel sounds are being pronounced. मैं कहना क्या चाहता हूँ? What is syllable? The number of pronounced vowel in a word is known as syllable. Let me tell you. If I say Papa and the next word is like Pope, what is different? How many vowel sounds are there in both words?
सर फर्स्ट में सर एक और दूसरे में दो.
फर्स्ट में देखो ध्यान से, पापा में 2 वॉवल साउंड्स हैं.
यस सर.
और पोप में भी 2 वॉवल साउंड्स हैं, है ना?
यस सर.
Am I clear or not? Till here am I clear or not?
यस सर.
लेकिन हम कितने को प्रोनाउंस करते हैं? Look at the word papa. Pa, a sound is there, and again a sound is there. Am I right or not? So both the vowels are being pronounced. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
in
sir.
that case, when both the vowels are being pronounced, in that case, there are 2 syllables. The number of pronounced vowels means number of syllables. Okay. So how many syllables are there in Papa? 2 syllables. A. But do we call it in the second word Pope? क्या हम बोलते हैं? पोपे बोलते हैं या पोप कहते हैं? What do you call it? पोप और पोपे?
पोप.
हाँ, पोपे बोलना तो ये ना कहना कि मैं पढ़ाता हूँ तुम लोगों को, है ना? बोलना कोई और पढ़ाता है. मेरा नाम लेना, वो पोपे ना कहना, पोपे बोलते हैं. So when you say Pope, in that case, how many vowels are being pronounced?
1.
हाँ, in that case, तो कितने syllable हुए इसमें?
1.
Have you got the point or not? If I say the word hotel, look at the word hotel. How many vowel sounds are being pronounced in the word hotel?
Sir, 2.
Yes. So कितने syllable हुए?
2.
Yes, that is I'm talking about. So what is syllable? The number of pronounced vowel in a word is equal to the number of syllables in a word. Are you getting my point or not? Till here I'm clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Let's एक और slide समझ लो, and then to see. So what actually how we count syllables, how we find syllables. So count the vowels in a word, okay, and subtract any silent vowel. What is silent vowel? When you say the word Pope, look at the word Pope, P-O-P-E. Here the word the vowel sound E is actually silent. Silent है ना? देखो.
Yes, sir.
In the word stair, the last word E is silent again. In the word
Yes.
same, last word E is again silent. Are you getting my point? तो जो silent vowel होता है उसको हम pronounce नहीं करते हैं. Are you getting my point?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then again, so, okay. And if there is a diphthong and only one sound is being pronounced, diphthong क्या होता है? Told you ना, two vowels are there. When there's a two vowels, let me give you an example. Suppose that, look at Hello. Hello. Am I audible, beta?
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Internet connection. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's okay. How many vowels are there in the word you? Dekho. How many vowels sound there in the word you?
The one.
Two vowel sound, beta. Sorry. Two vowels are there. Sorry, two vowels. You're right. One vowel sound. Two vowels are there, but sound is one. In that case, when diphthongs are there and sound is coming of one, in that case, number of syllables would be one. So if you say the word out, O-U-T, how many sounds are there? Two sounds are there. A, and ut. In that case, it will be have as two syllables. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So this you need to understand. Number of pronounced syllable in a word means number of pronounced vowel in a word means number of syllables. Okay. The same here. Look, I have example like dog, one syllable. Green, one syllable. Quiet, one syllable. But when you say quiet, quiet, a, two syllables are there. When you say orange, one syllable. Range, another syllable. When you say table, and another one syllable, and bull, one second syllable. So आप इसको ऐसे आगे देखना, ठीक है? Till here, do you have any question? Anyone has any question till here?
No, sir.
So see you in the next class. Happy Deepavali in advance, not Holi.
Same to you, sir.
Okay, happy Deepavali in
you,
advance.
sir.
See you in the next class. Huh? Bye, beta. Bye. Take care. Huh? Bye.